Hello, it's Miss Hake back for our Minds On. We've been studying syllables. So I have put out a 3D picture of some syllables. You're going to have to do 5. So you're going to guess and count 5 syllables. So you might need more time than I allow. So press pause if you do. The first one, so you're going to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a piece of paper. So next door to number 1, you're going to tell me how many syllables in Play-Doh. And then you're going to write it down. Next door to the number 2, how many syllables in crayon? Number 3, how many syllables in paintbrush? Number 4, how many syllables in gem? Gem. And look, number 5, how many syllables in toothpaste? So press pause and write down the answers, and don't unpause until you have them all written down so we can see if we've got them correct. Okay, now you're going to unpause and we are going to take it up. So Play-Doh. What try did you use? Did you talk like a robot? Play-Doh. Or did you clap it out? Play-Doh. Or did you hum it? Anyway, if you said there are 2 syllables, you are correct. Play-Doh. What about crayon? Crayon. Crayon. Yep. There are 2 syllables. Amazing. Paintbrush. 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 Yep. 2 again. 2 is a pretty popular number. What about gem? Gem. Just 1. Good for you. Toothpaste. 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 2. Okay. Amazing work. For the next step of your Minds On, you're going to go search around the classroom or wherever you are, and you're going to make your own syllable guess. You're going to put the objects next to the numbers. Ms. Hake's tidying up. And you can switch with a friend or somebody at home to see if you can guess theirs. So pick 5 things. Now make sure the things are not too big. Like nuts is pretty big, but if he can fit, he could be my number 1. And then you can keep going, and then you can switch out. Awesome. All right, have lots of fun creating a 3D syllable guess for your friends, family, or your parents. Okay, see you soon. Bye.